Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, the Delta Picking. So guys, today I will be sharing with you a full dehydrator I got from LIDL. So we'll be unboxing it together and see how it looks like. But before then guys, I just want to appreciate every one of you that keep coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for your comments, your like. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much and God bless you. So guys, let's see how the food dehydrator look like. So let's unbox together guys.
Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed?
So guys, this is the food dehydrator. I got it from LIDL online shop. Yeah, that's where I bought it from. Here's the manual. I came with it, and this is how it looks. Very portable. The weight is okay. It really looks nice for the price. It has 5 layers. I mean 5 drying rack. Yeah.
My love, my life.
This food processor, you can use it to dry your fruits, your vegetables. You can use it for any fruit like apple, banana. You can use it to dry any vegetables of your choice. And you can also use it for fish, meat. Yeah, it really looks nice guys, and the price is so good. You don't need to wait for sun to shine to dry your fruits or vegetable for days. This is just what you just need for some minutes or hours to dry whatever you want to dry. It's really good. I think I like it. So the power is on here. You can see that's the power button, and then the one you can use to control the temperature of the heat and the rest. I can't wait to try it out. Although this is something like a plastic, I don't know what to call this now. It look good. Look really good. The 5 layer. That's 5 layer. Look really nice guys. Thank you. Look really nice. So guys, and I'll be using it, and I'll be showing you how it looks like. I'll use it to dry my fruits.